What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the United 777-200 in the, or 200ER in the Star Alliance livery. This is their second one. This was the original one as far as I'm aware. This is the one that was originally painted like this from delivery, and it had the tulip blue engines. I think that's pretty cool. You can see it's like kind of like the older United, and I think that's very unique and very nice. Now this release by NG is of this aircraft in its pretty much original livery and state. Nowadays it's been updated the 10 years. This 10-year sticker, 1997 to 2007, which I believe represents the Star Alliance, its time in the Star Alliance up until that point. That was removed, that's been removed, and the titles have been updated, so removing this old battleship, the tulip, I guess that would be both, like the old United logo. And funny enough, if you look, nowadays the engine, the cowlings are discolored, like half of it's blue, half of it's gray. Which I think is kind of funny. I guess just based on parts or whatnot. So, yeah, November 218 Uniform Alpha, and it's a 22-year-old 777. It's pretty crazy. It's still in the fleet though, still going strong. It was stored during the pandemic, but it's back out now, flying. As I say, maybe, I don't know if NG will do a version of it with the newer, updated sort of titles and everything. It's pretty much like the other one. The Star Alliance, and then like the United underneath and whatnot, and it doesn't have the sticker nowadays, so I don't think they would redo this, remake it, but anyway, I'm super excited to have this, and I'd still use it like it's in any old sense, you know, that just because it's slightly outdated in terms of delivery doesn't matter. But yeah, so second United 777-200 ER, the Star Alliance variant. I have the other one, which was the old Continental one, and now this original United one, and we'll get right on into it. So here we go. Here's the box, looking very, very nice. Very nice box art. Fantastic. As always with the NG's boxes. Sorry about the reflection of the lights on the box, it's just how it is. But anyway, let's go ahead and open her up. We'll take a look at what we got inside. Oh wow, very nice. Sort of black packaging, very, very nice. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've seen that with NG before. That's very nice. Alrighty, let's go ahead, close the box up. So, there we go. Oh, there's a card. Put it off to the side. Alrighty. Looking very nice, very excited for this. Ooh, the side's right on off. Okay, very nice. This new packaging, very nice. Black, very firm. Ooh, that's greasy. What the hell? Oh, jeez. All right. It's very, like, greasy. It's got that sort of, like, grease on it. Ugh. It's very slippery. Give me a second, guys. I gotta, like, wipe it down almost. It's very greasy, so stand by. Yeah, it's very interesting. It's got some sort of like grease on it or something. So put that off to the side. And alright, we'll bring the model in here now. Wow, this looks really, really nice, guys. Alrighty. Yeah, you can see like the reflection of the box kind of on the aircraft there, that making it look blue. It's not like a paint smudge or anything, it's just a reflection, so don't worry. But yeah, wow, this model looks fantastic. This looks really, really nice. Apart from it being a little greasy, which that's fine, it doesn't look like there's any other issues that I can see, which is good. So let's go ahead and get right on into it with the details here. Cockpit windows looking really nice. This new mold by NG These 777s are absolutely fantastic. They've done a very, very good job, as I've said in the past with previous models. Star Alliance logo next to the window there, and then some good details with all the little pitot system tubes, attitude indicators, etc. Right there. All that fun stuff. Moving along, there is something actually written right below the nose right there. I can't see what that says, and it doesn't show it really in good detail anywhere else. But then you have the L1 door, and there's a lot of good detail there on that door with the handles, with the little window, everything. Very, very nice. You got the United titles there with the old United sort of logo, the blue and the red, looking really nice. And then the big old Star Alliance titles across the aircraft, very, very nice. Blue, let's see, what engines are these? My bad, guys. These are the Pratt & Whitneys. Oh, the good old troubled Pratt & Whitneys. But yeah, here they are. Very, very nice. Great job. Great detail on them by NG. Look really nice. Solid state, which is nice because you have the blades and everything looking really, really detailed and everything. I kind of prefer that as opposed to the hollow, because sometimes with the hollow there's not as much detail with the blades and stuff, but well. You win some, you lose some, but they both types of engines look great. I forgot to point out, you got the antennas on the top there. Right there, there's nothing at the bottom right at the front, but then moving along, the wings look very, very nice. There's no crazy wing flex or anything, they just look fantastic. The gears looking really, really nice. These gears also do not tilt. They roll, but they don't tilt, and I think that's nice. A nice feature. I don't mind tilting gear, but I think with these, they focus more on the details and everything, as opposed to making it like tilting, I guess. And I think it looks very, very nice. Moving along, you got that, well, I meant to say there's the L2 door, and there's good details around there. You have the L3 and then the L4 with the registration in the back and the American flag, and that sticker 10 years, 1997 to 2007. Very, very nice. Lots of great detail here. You got the antennas and the stuff on top there and everything. There is no there's no Wi-Fi dome on this, and I don't, which there is in real life, but I guess they're modeling it after, like, from when back in the day when it didn't have it. Because right now, currently, there should be a Wi-Fi, like, there should be a little dome right at the front there. But I guess based on this being modeled after the original state of the aircraft when it was delivered, in the Star Alliance livery, the blue engines, etc., the old titles, they chose to be realistic. Take a realistic approach and not include that, which that's perfectly fine. But yeah, so anyways, going back to the tail section here, the tail cone, the APU area right there, the horizontal stabilizers and the tail fin, very, very nice. Lots of great detail there. The Star Alliance logo looks fantastic on the tail. We'll spin around to this side. We got the bulk bin door right there and the aft cargo door there looking really nice. Same details and everything on this side, nothing different really. You have the forward cargo door there. We can zoom out, we'll take a look at it head on. Very, very nice, look at that. Fantastic. And we'll spin it to this side to take a look at it there, just admire it. Very, very nice model. We'll zoom out and then we'll take a look at the top. So very plain, there's no overwing markings on this aircraft. But the wings do look good, they're good. There's good detail in everything. And then the underneath is just plain. There's nothing fancy to it. I do like that silver stripe though, that looks kind of nice on it. So yeah, that's going to do it for this model, guys. A very, very nice model. I highly recommend it. Don't know if it's sold out everywhere or not. I would assume it's probably a pretty popular model. Yeah. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And I hope to see you guys next time. Take care.